If you like your wings bold, smoky, and with a double punch of heat, we're making Tabasco Sriracha smoked wings. These are slow smoked wings tossed in a fiery fusion of Tabasco tang and Sriracha heat. Let's make them.
Oh.
First, let's make the seasoning. Very simple. Into a shaker goes baking powder, salt, pepper, and paprika. Give it a good shake. Here we have 3.5 pounds of chicken wings. Pour them out and dry them off with some paper towels. We want the skin as dry as possible so it will get crispy. Season the wings, getting both sides, and put them into the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. Prepare the grill. I'm using these baskets to hold the charcoal in the middle. Pour in the lit charcoal and add your favorite smoking wood chunk. Cover it up to get hot. Spray on some oil for the grill grades. Now place the wings around the outside edge of the grill. Try to place the thick part of the drums towards the fire so they cook evenly. Get the grill to 425, adjust the top and bottom vents so it doesn't get too hot. After 30 minutes, give the wings a flip. Cover it again and cook until they reach at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit. They're looking awesome, so let's take them off. Now we're going to make the wing sauce. Add Tabasco Sriracha sauce to a bowl along with honey, white vinegar, and sesame oil. After it's mixed, pour it on the wings, shake, and enjoy. Alright, so it's that time. Let's go in for a taste test of the Tabasco Sriracha Sauce smoked wings. Oh boy, you gotta love that heat. Perfect duo with the Sriracha and Tabasco. Wow, that is truly fantastic. Crispy skin on that. That baking powder is definitely a key to crispy wings. And with that seasoning that I use, fantastic. There we go again.